subscribe.
Come on, stay. Hey y'all, it's me. I know it's been a while, it's been a month. It's been a minute, I'm just say that. But before we get started into this little wig over here, I am going to let you all know to make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next videos. Comment which I want me to make next. And without further ado, we're gonna get into this video. This is like one of the wigs I'm working on right now. It's called the Ocean Wave wig. It's gray. I know. I found this. I found my hair on Amazon. I was like, oh my god, I have to buy this. Like, I have to buy it. So yeah. I'm just gonna do a review of the hair. Yeah. I'm able to put it in. I'm able to just go through it with my fingers. I like how the curls stay in the hair. So I guess this is a hair wig. Let me go get something. Oh my god, I should have two in. Hey. Okay, so when you open the little bag of hair, this is what each individual pack looks like. This is, I think, 18 inches. I don't know if this is a good enough angle or not. I'm probably gonna put stand like right here. I'm gonna do a little 160 or 360. Oh my god, I can really talk. But anyways, here's the side. Here's how it looks from the front. There's how it looks from the side. And that's how it looks again from the back. I think that's been like one, maybe even two packs of hair so far. I have 2 more left, so yeah. I'm able to just crochet them in like normal. And if y'all want a tutorial on how I do that in the first place, then comment and let me know and I'll do it. I'm gonna also show you what it looks like off the head real quick. So this is like the front of it. Here's the back. There's one side. There's the, oh wait, hold on a second. There's the other side. Look at that. It's just flowy. I would show you what this looks like on me, but unfortunately I am actually not able to do so right now. So yeah, but I'm close to being finished with it. Let's just see if these next few packs are gonna last me. I've been doing good. I feel like this is actually one of the best wigs I've made yet, because I'm starting to learn my feel how it's supposed to, like, the layout. Now it's supposed to go. I really hope this is a good angle for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna show you the little bag it comes in. The thing is, though, the hair can get messy while installing, and it can leave trails of hair on your floor. But this is the bag that it came in. There's this little secret thing that closes it. So what you do is you find the little zipper thing. I don't know how you call what the heck you call this thing. Jesus, I talk too fast. Slow down. Whew. This thing, I don't know what you call it, but you do that. Now it's open, and you oh my God, who is that? Who the heck is that? Okay, I'm back. I just had to almost get scared there for a second, but I'm gonna put the bag back where it was. Put one of the packs back in here because I don't need those right now. And you just close it back up. And then I'm gonna put it right back where I had it. We're at 6-something minutes right now. But if you all are enjoying the video so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Excuse me. I am so sorry if the angle isn't good. I'm trying to figure out all my angles and stuff. I have quite a few other wigs that I'm gonna do as well. I have some wigs that I need to finish anyways. And let's see, what's another thing? My website's been doing good, so that's great. So basically, whenever I'm done with a wig, I post a picture. I post videos on Instagram, of course, and Facebook, and then I post the pictures on the website. So that way they are all available. So let me get this brought back up how I had it. I'm actually going to record another video today and post it tomorrow. It's going to be an unboxing of hair that's similar to this, or is actually this. I mean, the same style, but a different color. It's going to be a little bit longer, only about 2 inches, but yeah. Get working on that. That way I can finish a wig like this, because I'm ready to show y'all my creativity. Like, this is a different style, or like different kind of hair. It's like actual hair, not just like twists or braids or nothing. And I'm ready to show you all, which I've shown y'all one of my wigs on Instagram and Facebook. If y'all don't follow my Facebook, follow my business Facebook, then you won't know. But I've been putting reels on there. Oh my God. Things scared me easily. Like, I've been putting reels on there so y'all be able to look at some unfinished wigs that will be coming soon to you guys by watching the reels. Oh my goodness. There, look what I found all over my floor. Yeah. I need to put the trash out. Which I am gonna do, and then I'm gonna get this video uploaded. And then, ouch, and then I'm going to see what's up with my package. When the heck it's gonna be here? And then I am going to record the unboxing video, which will be out tomorrow. And by the way, I did record a video for my vlog channel earlier, which I think y'all should look at, because that'll give you an insight on why I haven't really been uploading, because I haven't been uploading on that channel either, because of that specific reason. But anyways, yeah. Before we end this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please, for you know, human sanity, please turn on your post notifications, because people tell me they don't get the notifications for my videos. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna wrap up this video like this. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Like, this way. But, this is some really good hair. I would recommend it. Like, I would give it like a 10 out of 10. So, okay, here's the front. Now we're gonna do the right side. Basically my right. And then we're gonna go back to the front. And we're gonna go to the left. So basically I'm showing y'all like this way, how it looks this way, without it being like a horrible angle. And then there's the back of it. It's a really pretty color too. Like, if y'all, like, I really like it. And if y'all want me to do more reviews on stuff wig related, just let me know. Come on. And I will do it. I already have a video on my vlog channel, like reviewing my wig stand. If y'all would like to look at that, I will have that linked in the description below. But I'm gonna wrap up this video here. So until next time, see you later. Stay pretty, y'all.